Hello everyone, welcome to Unity Byte. So in this video, we are gonna see how to register in this Unity Byte and what are the website features in this Unity Byte and how we are gonna purchase Raxcoin from Trust Wallet and to deposit it here in the Unity Byte. The joining link for Unity Byte will be provided by your upline via WhatsApp or Telegram. If you don't have the link is in the description. You can use that link. If you click on that link, it will open your registration page like this. So in this page, at very first, you have to enter your name and then you have to enter your email ID. After that, you have to choose your country. So once you click on that, it will list all the country. So in this, you have to select your particular country. So I'm from India, so I'm choosing India. And then you have to enter your mobile number and then you have to enter your username. After that, you have to enter your password. And then the sponsored name will be automatically updated here. So after that, you have to choose position left or right. Once you fill all those details, you have to click on create account button. Once you click on create account button, your account will get created. If you already have an account or after you created your account, you have to sign in. For that, click on the sign in button below here. Once you click on that, it will open your login page. Here, you have to enter your username and then enter your password and click on this sign in button. Once you click on sign in, it will log into your Unity Byte website. So this is my Unity Byte dashboard. At very first, you can see your income balances and then your earnings and then your packages. So at which package you are joined and then your balance matching and then your left side sales and your right sales. After that, you can have your awards here. At very top on the top right side, you can find Raxcoin current price. So at every day the price will be changing. So the current price will be updated over there. If you scroll a little bit, you can find the deposit address over here. So you can send the Raxcoin to this deposit address from the Trust Wallet. It will automatically deposit in your account. So you have to use this deposit address. You can find the copy button over here. If you click on that copy button, your address will get copied and then the message will pop up like it has been copied. And next to that, you can have this deposit option. So in this, you have to fill how much USD you need to deposit and then you have to enter your transaction hash. Then if you click on deposit, it will automatically deposit within 24 hours. After that, you have withdrawal options here. You have to enter how many USDs you want to withdraw. If you enter that, it will automatically pop up the Raxcoin amount. And then you have to enter the OTP. The withdrawal will be allowed only on 5th, 15th and 25th only. So within these 3 days only, you can able to withdraw here. If you scroll down a little bit, you can find your top up history here. So at what date and how much amount you have invested, all those details will be in the top up history. On the right side, you can find your dashboard and then your profile here. Once you click on that profile, you can find all your details here. And if you click on BEP20 Raxcoin wallet, you have to enter your Raxcoin wallet here and you have to click on this OTP button. An OTP will be sent to your mail ID. You have to enter this and save this one, save your Raxcoin wallet. And then if you click on password, you can change your password here and then you can find your referral link in the next tab. So here you can copy your left side referral link and then your right side referral link. After that, you can have this Google authentication. So if you click on that, you can authenticate with the Google. So for that, you have to submit the Google OTP over here. And after that, you can find your downline option. If you click on this direct left downline, right downline and genealogy, if you click on the direct one, it will open your direct downline details. So here you can find your direct referrals, name, username, package and the date. All those details will be available here. And if you click on that next one, which is the left downline, you can find your left side people's details over here. So you can find all the details who have registered along with their username and the sponsor name. If you click on right side downline, you can find your right side people's details here. After that, you can have this genealogy. It will open the preview of the peoples who have joined under you. And after that, you are having this award section. If you click on that awards, you can find all the awards available in the Unity Byte over here. So first award will be the silver tab, and then for gold, it's a laptop, cycle, and all those awards. For each and every level, once you achieve these packages, once you achieve these rewards, you can find the updated status over here. And for how much data you need to achieve, how much value you need to achieve, all those details will be available in this reward in the award sections. And after that, you can have your mail. So you can have your personalized inbox and your sent mail details, and you can compose direct mail to the peoples. After that, you can have your statement options. If you click on the direct rewards and the daily rewards and matching rewards, all those statements will be available here. I'm checking my daily rewards. Here I can find all my reward details over here. So here I have the details like my bank passbook. So how much details, how much amount I am getting in every day. All those details available in the daily reward statement option. After that, you can click on the transaction. You can have your summaries and your payment details available here. And finally, you have this logout button. Once you click on logout button, your UnityByte account will getting logged out, and then it will go to your home page. So here you have to click on login option again if you need to log in into the UnityByte once again. So now let's see how we are going to open the account in the Trust Wallet and how to purchase Rackscoin via in PancakeSwap. Let's see about those details. So this is your Trust Wallet. The joining link for Trust Wallet will be available in the description. You can get this, or else you can directly download this Trust Wallet application in the Play Store. Once you open this, it will be like this. So here you have two options. One is create a new account, and another one will be the I already have a wallet. If you're already having a wallet, click on the second option and you can create your own wallet, or else click on the first one like create a new wallet. It will create a new multi-coin cryptocurrency wallet for you. You can use that wallet and you can purchase BNB or you can purchase Rackscoin over here. Once you click on that, it will show your backup your wallet. Now you have to click on that I understand button. So once you click on that, the continue option right now it's hidden. So once you click on that, this continue will be available, and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can get your 12 words. These are the very important things. These 12 words is like your bank password. So you have to make sure these 12 words stay safe only with you. If you don't need to share this to anyone else. So first click on this copy button. It will copy your 12 words and you have to make a note of it in your personalized diary or anywhere safe. You have to make a note of these 12 words along with the correct orders represented here. Once you make a note of it, once you saved your recovery phrase, click on the continue button. Once you click on continue button, on the next page, it's asking you to arrange these 12 words in the correct order that has been shown before. So you have to arrange this in the correct order, in the numerical order, 1, 2, 3 in the numerical order. Once you arrange these 12 words in the correct order, you can click on the continue button. So after that, your multi-coin wallet is getting created. So this is your multi-coin wallet. So here you see there are two BNB options. So we are going to purchase BNB from local exchange like GeoTest, ZepPay or CoinSwitch, even from Binance also. You're going to purchase those BNBs from that particular exchange and you have to move that over here in the Trust Wallet. We need only Smart Chain BNB. Here you can see there are two BNBs available. One is BNB and another one is Smart Chain. So the BNB is like it's running under the BEP2 platform, and the Smart Chain is running like Binance Smart Chain platform. Once you click on that Smart Chain, you can see the receive address. It will be starting with 0x something. And in the BNB, it is just normal BNB. It's running under the BEP2 address. So, and it starts with BNB. So you don't need to copy this BNB. We need only Smart Chain BNB. So click on Smart Chain and click on receive option. You can see here 0x7. So it starts with 0x. So we are going to use the Smart Chain only to move our BNB from any exchange over here in the Trust Wallet. Then only we can swap this BNB for our Rackscoin. So once you move your BNB from GeoTest or ZepPay, any other exchanges and to your Trust Wallet, you're going to purchase the Rackscoin over here. So here we don't have a Rackscoin option in our multi-coin wallet. First we need to add our Rackscoin over here. For that we need Rackscoin contract address. So I'm going to Rackscoin official website. So this is the Rackscoin official website. And below this website you can find all the details about Rackscoin over here. So here are the Rackscoin's contract address, so smart contract address. I'm copying this address. So once you copied, go to your Trust Wallet again. I have provided this link in the description. You can check that also. So in your Trust Wallet at very top, at very right side top, you can find one option. It's like a two arrow marks in opposite direction. So that icon. So you have to click this icon. Once you click this, you have to search the tokens over here. I'm searching as Rackscoin, so it won't be available. For that, I need to add a custom token. So click on add custom token. The most important thing is this Rackscoin runs under the BEP20 network, that is Binance Smart Chain network. The network right now is here the Ethereum. You need to click on that Ethereum and choose the Smart Chain network. If you are having the Ethereum network, it won't be available. So once you choose Smart Chain network, paste your contract address, then your Rackscoin will be available over. See, in the Ethereum network, I'm pasting this address, so nothing will come here. But if you change this network from Ethereum to the smart chain, then your Rax coin will be available over here. I'm clicking that and changing to smart chain, and I'm pasting this contract address. By clicking this paste option, my Rax coin will be available over here. And then click on the done button at very top, at very right side top, you have this done button. Click on that. Then your Rax coin is getting added into your Trust Wallet. So right now, we are having the smart chain over here, as well as we are having the Rax coin over here. So we need to swap the smart chain BNB for the Rax coin. For that, we need an exchange. So Rax coin is already listed in PancakeSwap. So click on this dApps option and look for the PancakeSwap. If you scroll down a little bit, you can find this DeFi option, and inside that DeFi option, you can have your PancakeSwap here. Click on that. So this is your PancakeSwap. Here it's asking from which coin I need to exchange from. I'm gonna select the PancakeSwap network. I have to choose the smart chain network. I'm gonna make sure it's in the smart chain network. If it's in the Ethereum network, it won't be applicable because Raxcoin is available in the BEP2, which is smart chain network. I have to make sure if it's in Ethereum, you have to click that and change that to smart chain network. Then only you can able to purchase the Raxcoin. So click on the smart chain network. And here in the exchange, it's asking from BNB to which coin I need to purchase. So for that, the from will be the BNB, and then the to will be the Rax coin. So here, click on the select a currency option. And here you have to paste your contract address that we copied over there. So if you type Rax, it won't be applicable. For that, we need to add a custom token. So here in the search bar, you have to paste your contract address. So once you paste the contract address, Raxcoin will be available over here. So see here, you have to click on the import option. Once you click on import option, it will ask for an authorization. You have to click I understand, and then you have to import. Click on import option. After that, Raxcoin will be applicable. So here I need to swap the BNB to Raxcoin. I'm entering 0.01 BNB. I'm going to purchase 0.01 BNB for Raxcoin. And here for 0.01 BNB, I'm going to get 3 Raxcoin over here. Here, the minimum deposit will be the $50. So I'm going to copy this address over here, and I'm going to purchase Raxcoin for $50. So for $50, let's see how we're going to purchase Raxcoin. So I'm moving to my Trust Wallet. First, we need to know how much BNB is worth $50. For that, I'm going to CoinGecko, and I'm gonna find how much BNB will I get for $50. So here, inside the converter, I'm putting $50 over here. Then I'm gonna get the BNB value, which is 0.122. For 0.122 BNB, it's worth $50. So I'm going to my PancakeSwap. I can put this as 0.13. And then I can get a 39.049 Raxcoin for $50. So here I need to connect a wallet. Once you click on connect wallet, it will ask for which wallet you need to connect. I'm choosing Trust Wallet, and then I'm clicking on connect option. Once you click on connect option, your wallet is getting connected, and then you're gonna purchase this BNB. Here I'm having insufficient BNB balance. That's why it won't show the approve button. So if you have enough BNB, it will show you the approve button. After that, if you select on the approve button, you will get a confirmation. Once you submit your confirmation, you can get your Raxcoin into your Trust Wallet. For 1 BNB, you can get around 300 Raxcoins available over there. So Raxcoin's price is keep on increasing in nowadays. The main thing is when you are trying to purchase here, you need to add the swap option, swap percentage. For that, you need to here enter the slippage as 12%. After 12% only, you can able to purchase this Raxcoin, because if you give some other percentage while you're trying to purchase, the value might get changed. For that, you need to make sure you have selected the slippage as 12%. For change the slippage, you have to choose this. You have to select this settings button. So at here, you have to enter the slippage tolerance to 12%. Once you enter 12%, you can get a warning like your transaction may be front run. It's okay, no problem, because if you are giving less than 12%, your transaction won't be applicable. So once you click on 12% for slippage tolerance, now you can able to purchase the Raxcoin without any errors or without any problems. This is how you purchase Raxcoin from the Trust Wallet via PancakeSwap and move that to your UnityByte account. So if you want to send something to your friend, some Raxcoin to your account, you have to copy this address and go to your Trust Wallet again. If you click on the copy button over here, the address will get copied. So you have to copy this and move to your Trust Wallet. Here you have to enter this recipient address here, and you have to paste the copied address and you enter the Raxcoin amount and click on the transfer. So once you click on the transfer, it will show the network fees as $0.4. So I don't have any Raxcoin in my wallet. That's why it's showing like this. So once you have this enough Raxcoin, your transaction will get approved right here. So that's it, guys. We have seen how to join this Unity Byte and how to purchase Raxcoin from the PancakeSwap and via Trust Wallet, and to move that to your Unity Byte account. Hope this video helpful. So let's catch up with the new upcoming videos with lots of updates about this Unity Byte. Thank you.